Okay, now letter C on the note sheet, if you need help on this one. Again, what we want to do is we want to isolate our square root function. So what we need to do is add 1 across. So we're at square root 7x plus 15. Well, that's really ugly. Equals x plus 1. In order to get rid of that square root, I need to square both sides of my equation. Notice the right side, I am squaring a binomial, which will give me a trinomial. Square the left side, I get 7x plus 15. Okay, I'll probably only do this once, but this is actually x plus 1 times x plus 1, which gives me 7x plus 15 equals x squared plus x plus x plus 1, which really gives me 7x plus 15 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now I got a quadratic equation. I got to subtract my 7x over, subtract my 15 over. So minus 7x minus 15. I get 0 equals x squared minus 5x minus 14. Now, because I have a quadratic function, well, I'm going to try to factor that little bugger. And does it factor? Why, yes it does. It's x, it's x. Last term's negative, so one's plus, one's minus. I need more negatives than positives. That gives me negative 7 plus 2 gives me my negative 5x. So I see x equals negative 2 or x equals 7. So I have two answers to check. So to check my answers, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to check. And when I check them, I have the square root. I'm going to check negative 2 first. When I put negative 2 in there, negative 2 times 7, that gives me negative 14 plus 15 minus 1. Does that equal negative 2? Well, that gives me the square root of 1 minus 1 equals negative 2. Square root of 1 is 1 minus 1, that's 0, equals negative 2. That is not true. Therefore, that's an extraneous solution. It looks like it's a solution, but it's not. I wonder if the other one's going to work. So the other one, when I check it, I'm going to take my 7. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 15 minus 1. Does that equal 7? Well, what is 49 plus 15? What is that? That's square root of 64 minus 1 equals 7. So that's going to be 8 minus 1. And I get 7 equals 7. That one's true. Therefore, 7 is a solution to that equation. There's more like that for practice. Come back to this video if you need to see that example again. It was pretty quick, but good job.